today Cruz's mama has visited, and she's going to cook Cruz some treats. Now what what we've noticed is that he wants to eat our food, and it's not good for him, you know, chocolate and candy and cookies and all that kind of stuff. So what we want to do is, with trick or treat coming up, we want to trick him into eating some healthy dog food, but think that he's still getting some
Where he
treats.
won't eat all of mine.
Yeah,
He tries to eat all of my food.
I know.
And it's not good for him, so.
You're going to die of malnutrition if we Leslie don't do something with this dog. All right.
Yeah.
What are we going to do? What are we cooking?
We are fixing peanut butter pumpkin. This is organic pumpkin, by the way. Treats for him. It's a peanut butter organic like dog cookie.
Now, I understand that these are the best ingredients that Walmart had to offer in their great value line, right?
Yes. Great value. Flour, great value.
We're cooking for
Great value. Peanut butter. Mind you, Joey does the grocery shopping here. Cocoa is down. And everything is great value. He loves great value.
I like the price.
Great value oil. Even great value organic pumpkin.
Organic. See, organic.
And that's a little bit more expensive than just regular pumpkin. So, are we ready?
It was a whole 98 cents a can, to be honest with you.
Oh, okay.
It's actually a little cheaper than the other boat. It was name brand.
Okay. We need 2.5 cups of this self-rising flour.
Now, a lot of people are using wheat flour. We didn't have wheat flour, and I didn't really see. I looked on the internet to see if there was a big difference, you know, and I didn't see any kind of really health difference other than the color. So it'd make a darker treat, maybe if you use.
Okay, I've got my flour. Let's get this out of the way because it's for a 1/2 cup of pumpkin. Okay, that should be about a 1/2 cup. There. I need 1/4 cup of oil. I'm not used to cooking on camera. Okay, 1/4 cup of oil. I need a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Creamy peanut butter. Great value. Like I said, Joey has been doing all the grocery shopping and it's great value all the way. Oh, you're excited. He cannot wait. He's going to love this. This is going to be the best treat he's had. Especially it's going to be healthy. No more chocolate. Grandma chocolate chip cookies. Takes 2 eggs. Just keep mixing until everything comes together. Cruz is excited. He can smell this peanut butter and pumpkin. Hey! He can't wait. He's so excited. You know, I think he knows this is for him. Did you tell him? Did you tell him, Coco? Mama's making him some cookies. You wouldn't think that with the pumpkin and peanut butter that it looks so good.
I'm gonna try a bite. I'm gonna try a little bit, not cooked. It's got a raw egg in it though. I think it'll make me sick.
Nah. Kids eat cookie dough all the time.
It's okay. It's not very sweet. Okay, buddy. I'll drop it a little bit.
It's high protein.
Yeah.
Especially he needs high protein, I think.
We're going there.
couldn't.
Jill.
Anyway, if my cookie cutter of the bone had been here, oh my goodness, these would have made the best dog treats.
It's hot.
Well, we can let it cool.
It's good. It's not sweet. It's not sweet because it don't need to be sweet for him. So
Let me bake some more.
it's good.
I think I want to try it. If I could put some sugar, they'd be great for us. We're good. Cruise. Let me know if they're good. Here. Here. Ready? Okay. Do it. You like them? You want them? Okay. Ready? Don't bite me. Let's put it on your nose. Let's put. Wait. Ready? Set, go. Good boy.
All right, so cooking day with Mama has been a success. Obviously, he's once he got the taste for him, he's not giving up. So we put him in these wrappers here. Did you like him, buddy? He loves to see his mama. Anyway, he's excited when he sees her come. Now it's gonna be you got to cook for me. He gets spoiled too darn fast, don't you, buddy?
You want those? Okay.
Eating off the table. That's
One. That's just one. That's enough. Okay, get down.